Welcome to It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Let's solve algebra in easy steps. How to find the value of x and y. Given 2x plus 5y equals 11. x 4y equals negative 14. 2x plus 5y equals 11. x 4y equals negative 14. To solve this, first let's find the value of y by multiplying both sides by negative 2. X times negative 2 equals negative 2x, minus 4y times negative 2 equals 8y. Negative 14 times negative 2 equals 28. Negative 2x plus 8y equals 28. Let's rewrite. 2x plus 5y equals 11. Negative 2x plus 8y equals 28. Let's add. 5y plus 8y equals 13y. 11 plus 28 equals 39. Let's divide by 13. 13y equals 39. Divide by 13. Y equals 13. The value of y is 13. 2. Lastly, let's find the value of x, since y equals 3. Let's multiply. 2x plus 5 times 3 equals 11. 2x plus 15 equals 11. Let's subtract. 2x plus 15 equals 11. 15 minus negative 15 is 0. 11 minus negative 15 equals negative 4. Let's divide by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals x. Negative 4 divided by 2 equals negative 2. Therefore the value of x equals negative 2. The final answer is value of x and y. X equals negative 2 and y equals 3, negative 2 and 3. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel by like, follow and subscribe. It's All About tutorial by Neneng for more learnings.